In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a tech job through LinkedIn. Let's dive right in. To start off, you'll want to navigate to LinkedIn's website. Simply open up your preferred web browser. Once there, type in the URL, linkedin.com, and hit enter. This will lead you to LinkedIn's homepage, where you'll see options to either sign in or, if you're new to LinkedIn, create an account. For those who already have an account, logging in is easy. You can use your Google or Microsoft account, or simply enter your email address and password. It's as straightforward as that. Now, if you've enabled two-factor authentication, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your login by entering a code that will be sent to your registered phone number. This extra layer of security ensures that your account remains safe and accessible only to you. After you have successfully logged in, direct your focus to LinkedIn's main navigation bar and locate the Jobs section. Clicking on this will take you to a dedicated page, marking the beginning of your job search journey. Now, here's where the real exploration begins. You'll see a search bar, which will be your primary tool. Start by typing in keywords that align with the tech roles you are interested in, such as software engineering, data science, or web development. For those searching with a bit more specificity, you might consider roles like IT manager, help desk personnel, or IT support. These keywords help refine the list of available positions and direct you to tech roles that really catch your interest. Next, you'll want to specify a location. Whether you have a particular city or region in mind, or you're open to remote work opportunities, setting your desired location will help tailor the job listings to better suit your preferences. Once you've tackled location, you'll want to continue refining by experience level. LinkedIn offers several categories, such as entry-level or mid-senior level, allowing you to find roles that match up with your professional background and current qualifications. Additionally, while you're fine-tuning your search, consider filtering by job type. This is the moment to decide your preference. Are you searching for full-time positions, part-time roles, contracts, or perhaps even internships? Specifying this will ensure that you're only seeing job listings tailored to match your career aspirations. After you've perfected your search parameters, don't forget to take advantage of one of LinkedIn's most helpful features, job alerts. By setting up a job alert for your specific criteria, you'll receive notifications directly when new tech roles become available. This keeps you up to date without the need to continuously revisit the site. And there you have it, a tried and true method to find tech jobs through LinkedIn. Stick to these steps, and you'll increase your chances of landing that dream tech job. Best of luck on your career journey.